Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clone a Bitbucket repository in PyCharm. First, copy the repository URL, then open Bitbucket, go to your repository, click clone, and copy the URL. You can choose HTTPs for a simple setup or SHH if you have it configured. Next, open PyCharm and launch it. On the welcome screen, click Get from VCSS, or if a project is already open, go to File, then New, and select Project from version control. Now, paste the copy Bitbucket URL and choose the folder location where you want to save the project. Make sure the location is accessible and has enough space. Then, click Clone. PyCharm will start downloading the repository files and set up the project automatically. After that, wait for the setup to complete. PyCharm may ask you to configure a Python interpreter or install dependencies, so follow the prompts if needed. Here, once everything is ready, the project will open in the editor. Finally, open the main file, check the interpreter if required, and click Run to start your project. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.